Vision Render is an advanced visualization package for the CAD community, and it allows them to look at their data in a high level of detail, specifically aimed at engineering communities. The really exciting thing about Visionary Render is that it makes virtual reality far more accessible than ever before. Vision Render allows our clients to import their own data, no matter how large, into a virtual environment to create scenes like training scenarios, like maintenance run-throughs or design reviews.
I think one of the first things that engineering users will notice about Visionary Render is it talks their engineering language. But it enables them to use all the new graphics features, the latest things that graphics hardware is allowing people to do in the movie industry and video games, but they can do that for themselves in an engineering environment, returning engineering data, engineering metadata and attributes, and keeping the structure of their product intact. So it's great. They can keep their data integrity, but use the latest features.
We were looking to update the 3D technology within Lanna's leading simulation product, Witness, and we researched the market looking for what is a world-class capability. And we chose Visionary Render from Virtalis. Firstly, because we found Visionary Render to be the best high-performance rendering product on the market. But secondly, we found that Virtalis were really a great team to work with.